So you think that the ClearSpot 4G is the device for you. First of all, sweetness. Second of all, here are a couple of things you might want to know about it. First of all, super small, very portable, compact, fits anywhere. Anywhere you take this thing, you're going to have a blazing fast 4G connection. And you can connect up to 8 Wi-Fi enabled devices or 8 of your friends to this little guy. Now once you're hooked up to this little bad boy, you and your friends can surf away on your internet dreams for like up to 4 to 5 hours, because that's how long the battery lasts in this thing when it's fully charged. To which I might add, holler! And the best part, probably, is that you don't need some kind of advanced degree in computerology to set this up. There's just a little on-off button right here, and then just this light which tells you when you're hooked up to the 4G network. And there's some super simple setup that you do to get all the magic happening. That's pretty much it. Now you've got your ClearSpot 4G, and you're ready to ride away on a Pegasus of awesome internet connectivity.